Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. This is Kishore Palavalsa. Please subscribe our channel. Till now, anyone not subscribed, and also I need your support always, and also I need your encouragement. Okay, so now today we are going to discussing about what is the necessity of 3-point starter. Okay, let's now we are starting. Necessity of 3-point starter. 3-point starter. Okay, so basically here there are two types of starters is there basically. So according to here, okay, here the starter is entirely different from the stator. Okay, why? Because the stator which is used in like a machinery, so that is like a in case of either DC machines or AC machines, basically may contains like stator and rotor like that. Okay, if we want to go for the like a starter, so which is used to limit the starting current or starting excessive current which is in series with the motor. Okay, so whenever the starter which is connected in series with the either DC shunt motor or DC series motor, at the time we can limit the starting current. Okay, means this starter also called as like a some resistor here acting okay. So coming to the here, so basically which is may contains three terminals. Okay, one is the line, okay, and also field, and third one is the armature. Okay, so these are the majorly three terminals also may be contains. Okay, so here, so the total starter terminals which is connected to the, for example, if we want to use here like a DC shunt motor, let us consider here. So here the armature of the starter means here this is like a starter, starter armature which is connected to the motor armature, so which is both are which is connected in series, and also and second terminal is there, that is like a field. Okay, so this field also which is connected to the motor of the field winding, and also here line also there. Okay, so this line which is connected to the so supply voltage. So this is the basic construction view of starter. Okay, like this we have to represent it to the in series with the starter to the anti DC motor connecting like this. Okay, and also what is the necessity of starter here? First of all, we have to learn the what is the necessity of 3-point starter here. So with the help of so 3-point starter, so here majorly we can so reduce or else also called as like a limit the starting current to the throughout the armature winding of motor, of the motor. Okay, so without starter here, okay, so then the suddenly excessive current will be flowing whenever the input supply will be given to the motor, DC shunt motor. Okay, whenever the input supply will be given to the DC shunt motor, then automatically suddenly high rush current will be flowing to the input of the throughout the armature of the motor. Then suddenly the motor which is attains high speed. Okay, the motor which is attains high speed. Okay, already know that. So basically according to the back EMF formula for the DC shunt motor, okay, here basically the back EMF formula which is given as EB is equal to V minus IA into RA. EB is equal to V minus IA into RA. So from this, if we want to get into the armature current IA, so then we can write like this: IA is equal to V minus EB by RA. IA is equal to V minus EB by RA. Okay, here, so from this formula we can get into the so one clearly so instruction like this here. So if you want to know about this here, so whenever the armature current will be rising here, then the total entire armature resistance also decreasing here. Okay, means itself. So whenever, so if you want to connect to the resistance here, whenever resistance which is connected, resistance means here like a starter which is connected in series with the armature, so then the automatically the total armature current will be gradually decreasing. Okay, Okay, why? Because if you want to rising the total entire armature resistance, so if you want to increase the number of studs of the so total entire starter, then automatically the total armature current which will be gradually decreasing. Okay, here, so that's why we are basically put into the starter resistance which is connected in series with the DC motor. So here with the help of 3-point starter we can limit the starting current in series with the armature. Okay, and also if you want to doesn't use to the 3-point starter here, so then automatically excessive current will be flowing to the entire throughout the armature like this, then the armature will be automatically burning, and also both commutator segments as well as brushes also burning due to heavy high rush current flowing through the entire armature. So this problem will be happened here. Okay, so that's why we are basically inserting in series with the DC motor. We have to insert into the like a 3-point starter here, 3-point starter here. Okay, so this 3-point starter also called as like a resistor here. So this is the today our class subscribers. If you have any doubt, please put on the comment box. I will give you reply each and every question. And for the next class we are going to discussing about 3-point starter, okay, which is also very important. So please stay on. Okay, so thank you one and all.